I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like order while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nempili Shezi Ibinga Almodila Lalela Ibinga Lamodila. So and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I just want to speak more about the challenges that I'm facing on YouTube, guys, on YouTube, as I create content, as I try and do vlogs and everything. Maybe this will help someone, but definitely I'm the one who needs help. Yep. So first thing that I will try by all means to highlight, guys, I'm having a challenge with training. I'm trying to get to. I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to get. Copywriting. English, I say Ziabuya, which is something that I'm hoping as time goes by, I will try to know more about it, to fix it and stuff. And someone did recommend, is it YouTube Studio? Yeah, that way become much easier for me if I have like to remove a song since I'm affected by a copywriter, or yeah, they do send on YouTube, they do send emails that if they're if they sent you an email which is practically wrong, I can try and send email back saying they did a mistake, try and check properly and everything and stuff. And also that is the biggest thing I'm facing, guys. And also when it comes to music taste, oh my god, I'm having challenges when it comes to music. I do have my own favorite music, kind of music and everything, but I'm having a challenge when I try to jingle it in with the content that I'm creating. Yep. I'm more of Maskandi girl, but I do also listen to other kind of music, which is kind of rhyming and everything. So one of the challenges that I'm facing is copyright, choosing music, putting music on my videos and everything. And another thing, when it comes to the audience, and most cases I don't select my audience because YouTube also do ask you when you upload, what is your audience? Cats lesser than 16 or 18 will they be able to view it? And then what else? Okay, is it for people that are above and stuff? Yeah? And there's another thing. And one thing that became a challenge for me, and I have been getting it as a feedback, guys, that my videos are so super short. So super short, meaning that I have to try and grab as much videos as I can. And based on that, like when they highlighted that and I try and go through other people's YouTube and stuff, I'm like, guys, why mina yami content ngiyikhatha kancane because ngiyakhatha ngiyakhatha like ngiyenza ibe ncane, whereas ngincisha that thing when you look at my videos, because I'm like, guys, ngincishile content, ngikhatha too much, ngicroppa out a lot. Hayibo. So that's one thing I've highlighted with you, cropping my videos. I'm also crying like ngenza umuntu azabhoreke ukuthi ayibo girl, I was still catching the moment, boom, yabo, which is something that I'm willing to fix this year. And another thing that is a challenge for me, guys, was yazini ke eyinkinga. It's I don't know, should I say my YouTube intro video or something, lalela lapho nje ivideo yami leyo. I tried and work on it this year, and the reason for me ukuthi ngisebenze kuyona is because ngilahlekelwe iphone. Okay, apparently phone yami iyatshontsha. You stole my iPhone, guys. I haven't held, so I'm just using a Samsung okamanje, lalela ngithi okamanje, because there are some things that I'm still busy with and they need my attention. So I was supposed to buy a new phone, but angikho lapho. So when I change it, I just realize again, lento yami music, ne? Because when you go to ClipCut, and you look at other people intro and stuff, you took it and then clip cut in most cases doesn't allow you to change music. And then uyithathe kanjalo. So I think it's time that I also bring on my own things and stuff. Yabo, which is something very engizoyilungisa. And I love how this video that I created as my intro, I like it. It shows the vision of lalela ukugela unompilo afisa ukuba uyena umpilo mashezi lalela. You definitely do get the vision of me. And then, well, guys, so you'll be expecting more content of myself this year because by full time content creator manje. So I'm just here to hide the most problematic or challenges that I'm facing on YouTube, which it may be out there. There's somebody else who'll be like, girl, you can try this, girl, you can try this. I'm up for any advice. Because what do you mean? I'm facing a challenge with YouTube. I'm struggling by myself. I'm so super struggling, guys. And because what also I have learned, have learned how to take my videos in a better vision and stuff. Oh, and also the challenge that I have, guys, I forgot to take pictures that will be on my thumbnail. Is it thumbnail or Tumblr? Somewhere there, guys. Ngiyakhohlwa yabo mangathi ngithatha content do me video. And then I forgot. Now I have a challenge when I have to do should I say, is it a wallpaper or a thumbnail? Yabo le nje eveza kahle ivideo yami phambili iyona that becomes a problem for me because sengithathe le video, why did I not take pictures in it? So I'm trying to space myself around my influencers communities because lalela kike ngizoba mina idlento ngitshela ukuthi ngizoba yiyona and lalela le ngithi ngiyiyona mina ngiyiyo sorry about the noise, guys, baxela ngale but le nto engithi mina ngiyiyo ngizoba yiyona thanda ngingathandi ngizoba yiyona. And I do see myself operating from the vision that I had before of myself and now. So definitely lalela uzongigcina YouTube uzofunda mina. YouTube, guys, I love how I grow as I decided to take content a little bit serious, but ngiyacothoza here and there, ngiyacothoza, and I love the progress so far. I love the progress, and I feel like I'm hiding a lot. So ufuna ungazi wena uzongazelaphi ngiyakwazi yonke into ngami. So wena lokhu ufuna ukwazi ngami ezami indaba uzozizwa ngami-ke. Uthanda ungathandi ezami uzozizwa ngami. That is the biggest highlight of everything. Akathi nje lokhu ngibonisayo sobona ukuthi uyangazi wena kuyeke-ke lokho kuyeke ukususa futhi emqondweni ukuthi wena uyangazi awungazi. Exactly. Angisimuhle kaze belingishisile ilanga ekhaya belingishisile nakhona manje ngigonda nini I think it was August but I was installed ngo-October on my birthday. I think ngikhathe after birthday yami or before my birthday last year. Lalela ngoDisemba sengilokhanda. But yeah, guys, asikho lapho. I was just trying to share my challenges and face I'm still facing them namanje, and I'm still working on them. But lalela, I hope this does help because oh yeah, and also another thing on YouTube, guys, I'm having a challenge when it comes to my shorts. My shorts, they are so super restricting when it comes to sound, guys. In the music, it just becomes a lot because it copyrights put in Bonya lap. And when I go to my YouTube studio, because you can link edits on YouTube studio, you press it on, it lead me to a player YouTube studio. I can't erase ingoma. So, and I can't also go numb on the song. Like I ngabuka video kuthulekile ngaleyo ndlela yabo. Naleyo background song, it also gives a person a interest to look at your videos and stuff. So you're not okay. I'm saying, oh, I'm not posting a lot of my shorts, and I feel like my shorts, guys, do give people that thing of wanting to look at your videos. That's where you promote yourself. Because I'm short, they have a lot of my views compared to like the extra page and everything. Guys, I'm struggling. But should I say I'm struggling? I feel like I'm struggling to get subscribers, but I definitely believe that as I continue, as I continue, there will be that day I'm a subscribe ongazithazobethelekile kuchitheke imali kimi kwenzakaleni, and they would definitely upgrade to it, and I love that. I can't wait for that day, because that day I will show everything that I've worked hard for. So yeah, guys, I just hope I would definitely be able to succeed ekulungiseni ama-mistake engiwatholayo through YouTube, through creating content. Lalela, it's a lot, but we have to push.